Well, we appreciate that the sponsor of the bill, and indeed the Senate, is keen to establish measures that will safeguard against the sale of these products to the underage. We are concerned that its proposals to ban the flavors will only open up the sales of the products through the black market, thereby denying businesses and at the same time denying the government, by the extension of the country, the much needed revenue which KRA would collect from legitimate businesses.
Ithu andu a biashara ni tu affectitwo ni maundu macio muno tondu andu aya matiguraga thigara iria ciumite kuma kiganda kiria gibatie guthondeka thigara, maguraga tuthigara turia tungi turathondekwo na kuu mutaro-ini, makinyuaga iraiko, magikaga maundu maingi. No go fight nie undu uria ndingenda go fight ni kuga Senate mukihetokia bill rita ringi mumirehe guku Nyeri twike public participation o uguo tu.
Na maundu maria mekagwo kuria Senate matigahetukagio tukahetukwo nimo tukarehagwo nginya haha hakuhi na ithui undu king'ang'a-ini makarutwo tukaria tukaiguanira ni atia.